here early, man. Corky's Muffler shop, man. Corky's, man, Rossville. That boy turned out. Up here with the lifted Tahoe. Lifted by Wayne Way. Escalade lights. The long way. The Stang on here, boy. I ain't seen this, boy. Got the tire stickers, man. These upgrades, man. It's the day, man. About to put these. It's our performance on my jump, man. He said upgrade out something, I know, right? That's the tips. It's the axle back. The axle back cut off, man. Cut the mufflers off and put these on them, man. Good on them, man. Ready, man. Coyote badges. I got these squeaking 10s on, bro. I got these squeaking 10s on. Oh, yeah. It's time, boy. Got John first, though. But beat me. Shout out to the tattoo company. Hand painted by him, the driver himself. They don't look good. Chevy, man. Roaches. Flowing cap. I gotta get that windshield, man. That junk ain't work. I'm gonna get that windshield probably like the next couple days. That's the next thing. Windshield me. Yeah, I'm gonna get that windshield done. I don't know if I'm gonna change the lights, so they been blue. Need a light up pony. You want that light up Chevy sign? Put that light up Chevy sign on your junk. You got them bags on there. They're just on the ground, boy. They're just on the ground. Huh? No, I'm saying you can get one. I thought about it. I was like, damn. Uh-oh. What's up, bro? This man first right here with the Rucci steering wheel and all, man. Match the wheels. GT. Can't wait to put this exhaust on my jump. Huh? Yeah, that'd be hard. Yellow seat belts. That's hard. Man, who was tapping on that thing though? Somebody was tapping on the somebody was tapping on this right here, but I can't zoom on that van.
Oh, it's the van?
Yeah, that's a van. That's the one you can stay in.
I thought they was tapping on the window.
Yeah, on the hood, but he was hitting on it because they in there with the shield. They in there. Somebody in there, the little helper worker in there. Man, I got this ponytail, so I'm losing, bro. Let me get my hair done. It's just loud. He gotta get his exhaust connected back up. That boy got the drills and still the sliding rollers on that little back. Yeah, he got that airbag, what? Airbag. Crank it back up. Let me hear that more. Got pulled up. You hard, so you. Where my keys at? Look at that pipe on there. Put it back on there. Put it back. I gotta cut something off. Oh, good. They gotta modify my part. Well, that mother look nasty out there, fool.
That's just fine, bro. They just kept them motherfuckers out.
I hope I ain't got to take the original with me. I ain't putting that junk in the car.
Put them in the shop on the wall. Use my OG pipe.
Oh, straight. But he cut a little bit off. He finna bend my shit some more. Oh, yeah, that's hard. They finna make it work. Fool, like that. You might get a tip, fool. I tip people when you do good, man. I gotta get that H pipe. When I get that H pipe, it's gonna be that real Mustang growl. Yeah, I'm gonna need cold air intake, man. I gotta keep on going, man. It ain't never lasting, bro. Never lasting, it'll never stop. Man, go on let Kia detail the inside, bro. Go on let him. Go on get it. You ain't got nothing to do. What else you gonna do, fool? We gonna change the shipping signs? No. Most. Yeah. He said you take your time and you start doing stupid. Yeah. Yeah, just keep doing it too fast. It took me a minute to do what I'm doing, fool. It took me a minute. I've been wanting tire stickers. I've been wanting all that. Yeah. I got the graphics that I want to put on the outside. I'm like, hold on. Like you said, slow down. Oh, you put the wrong stuff on there. One thing could change the whole whip.
But do the frame got to be powder coated? The lift and shit?
It don't have to be. It just be like you spend some more bread. It just be look. Cause you know it's a lift on her. You know the truck lifted, but if it's painted, you'll be like, oh. But white gonna stay dirty though. You don't have to be red. You don't have to be red. Bro, look how them things look on now. Look at them things on there. Them things fat, boy. Fat boy tips, boy. It's gonna be alright. Almost done, bro. Got one side in. Them fat is all still. I'm hurting your eyes. They gonna hurt my eyes. Yeah, man. I recommend Corky's, man. My eyes. Nigga said my eyes. Yeah, I recommend Corky's, man. Come to Corky's. He measured it, made sure it was sticking out the same length on both sides. And the gap between the plastic. They made sure the gap that good. I'm watching, bro. That's crazy. I see how people be watching me, bro. Y'all be watching me while I be working. I ain't want to watch them, bro, right here for real. Cause people don't want to watch you. You know what I mean? Want you to watch them, but certain people like, you cold, what you do? You're like, man, just do it. Kill that jump. Almost done, man. I want to show y'all the Corky Mobile, though. Corky Mobile. It's the Jeepers Creepers. That's what they call it. Jeepers Creepers, boy. No fat cheese, please. And it's more with the tag on the side. The jaws on the top. See the Jeepers Creeper on the windshield? Keep the jaws on the top, boy. Jaws on the top. There's one on the front right here. For the lights, boy. Got that Jeepers Creeper tag. B-E-E-U, boy. B-E-E-U. Smells nice. Put some roaches on here, boy. Put that slab in here. And he got that material, boy. He got the material on the seats. Talking about, boy. Sleep. He sleep on there. Oh, he put the bullet thing right there. I knew it was a crack right there, but it's like a real rock hole. Bullet hole hold it up. Oh, it's some more bullet holes around it. Oh, somebody been shooting at that mud. The back open, boy. It slapped. This one's hard. I ain't got much ready. I ain't got much ready. I ain't up there on the lift looking like a race car, boy. Nowadays off. I ain't look good. Pulling in, boy said he ain't going without leaving. He ain't leaving without getting the job done. That boy tires wide, boy. He got the wide low tires. That boy barely made it in here. That boy barely made it, boy. You barely made it. You barely made it, bro. barely made it. You barely made it.
I figured that.
They were going to work on your junk out here in the lot. So, yeah, I see. When you come back out, you just look at that front one up there. God, he hanging off up there. It's on there though. Most of the weight like be in the middle though. Yeah. But doing footage right here by Corky's. Coolly coming off the rack. Boy got that tip on there, boy. Boy got that chug, boy. Back at the shop, boy. We back at the shop. We chugging, fool. Straight pipe. Straight pipe, yeah. Straight pipe, man. With them fat tips on my jump, boy. Dang, boy. Catch him. Love it, boy. I love my jump too.